Today we're growing wheatgrass for our cats, Sam and Carl. I start by measuring out about 100 grams of wheatgrass seed. After adding the seed to my jar, I rinse them to remove the debris. Then I add enough water to submerge the seeds and allow them to soak for 6 hours. After 6 hours of soaking, I drain, rinse, and drain again. Then I place the jar into its blackout sleeve and onto the stand. By day 3, they have been in the jar for 2 days, being rinsed and drained throughout the days. Now they are ready to be planted. I'll be using our deep sprouting tray kit to give them the best aeration. By day 4, the blades of the wheatgrass were starting to show. Day 5, wheatgrass. I'm going to be adding in 1 more cup of water to the bottom. We're using plain water, no nutrients. Today is day 6 for the wheatgrass, and I'm going to be removing this humidity dome and introduce them to light for the first time. I'm also going to change out the water in this bottom tray real quick so it has fresh water. Look at these roots. They are gorgeous right now. Day 7, wheatgrass. Today is day 8 of our wheatgrass grow, and I'm going to be adding in a little bit more water to the bottom reservoir. On day 10, our wheatgrass is ready for our cats to enjoy, and boy did they love it.